A lot of people are making a mistake. Like they're making these mistakes. These mistakes that I also made when I was starting out on my journey. And to be honest, yeah, I guess everybody would learn it over time. But if I can save you the trouble, I am going to share what I have learned. So these mistakes. Hi, for everybody that don't know me, I am Tanya. I'm a business coach. I'm a marketing strategist and launch copywriter, and I help online course creators, coaches leverage their knowledge and create mid to high ticket programs so that they can actually work smart and not work hard. So today, I actually wanted to jump on here to speak about something that a lot of people are making a mistake. Like they're making these mistakes. These mistakes that I also made when I was starting out on my journey. And to be honest, yeah, I guess everybody would learn it over time. But if I can save you the trouble, I am going to share what I have learned. So these mistakes are imperative to avoid if you actually want to make an impact a lot more quickly, a lot more um quick. Like you want to take your journey, you want your journey to go a lot more faster than probably a lot of us have had to go through. So one of the things, and this is often what I get with coaches, it's people are refusing to niche down. And niching down is actually one of the best things you can do for your business, for yourself, and for even your clients, because you will be attracting the best clients for you that would actually work better with you. Because if you're refusing to niche down, it's usually because of this mentality that I'm limiting myself if I'm niching down, but if like I get no client. That's why it's important to do a lot of market research. But definitely niching down helps you repel the wrong type of clients and attract the right type of clients, because you want clients that are going to love working with you. You want clients that are going to be invested in the transformation that you are going to provide for them. So being clear on who you want to speak to, who you want to work with, is very important if you really want to make this a worthwhile career. The other one that I receive a lot of times when I'm coaching or when I'm talking to a potential client to prospect is that people are like, no, I don't have a state curriculum. I customize every program. The problem with this approach with your business is that by trying to customize programs for everybody, you cannot scale. You cannot grow and you cannot scale because there's just so much that you can do. Imagine now you have to work with 10, 20 clients and you are customizing programs for all of them. How are you going to do that? You might do it, but the problem is you end up burned out, tired, and tapped out. And you might end up in hospital because you are customizing everything for everybody. What you want to do, you want to develop your own framework, develop your own system, and then you teach that. Because even if you are going to stay in the whole aspect of one-on-one coaching, maybe one-on-one coaching suits your needs or suits your business, what you want to do, you want to make sure that it's a program that is not customized. It's a program that is, it's a state program that you have created for people looking for a particular transformation. That is very, very important if you actually want to scale and grow your business, whether you are a consultant, whether you're a coach or a course creator, even have a service based business, you want to have a state curriculum, you want to have a state program that you actually teach people. The other thing that I see people make, the other problem and other mistake I see people make is not having an offer. People are concentrating on the service that they offer, they are concentrating on the product that they are offering because a lot of people are concentrating on creating products. They are not actually concentrating on creating offers, and offers are what sells at the end of the day. Your service or your product or your course is not necessarily what people are buying. So what you want to make sure, you want to package an offer that people will want to invest in. So you have to go back and think, yes, I am teaching people how to create courses. Well, there are a ton of people that can teach you this. You can even learn that on Udemy for less than for $10 or less than $20. But what makes my program different? What is my offer going to give you outside of just teaching you how to create a course? This is something that people have to think about when they are thinking about creating programs and creating courses or even just services. What is the offer? What is the end goal for the client, and what is the bridge that you are going to offer them to actually get there? This is a very important thing that you have to consider. Think less about creating products and services that you're offering. Think more about the offer that you are presenting to the client, because people will buy the offer because they are looking for a particular transformation. So let's go over this again. You want to make sure that you actually niche down so that you can save a better set of clients. You want to make sure that you actually create an offer instead of a product or a service. Number three, what did I say was number three again? Yeah, you want to do those two. And number three, you actually want to make sure that you have a set program instead of customizing things for everybody, because then you are unable to scale and grow your business. So these are three mistakes that I have noticed that a lot of coaches and new course creators are making that could, and if you can avoid that, you definitely well on your way to making your 10,000, your 20,000, 100,000 months, because you already will know what you have to do. Now, if you are looking for a way for guidance on how to do this, you can definitely go ahead and book a consultation. It is worth $347, and I'll be offering it for free to you, and we'll go over what you could offer and how you could do it, and you have your roadmap to reaching your first 10K months or your 10K launch. And if working together is a fit, if I have something that can actually help you get there faster, I'm definitely going to definitely going to discuss it. And if it is a fit, then we are definitely going to look at working together. So this was my quick chat to you, my quick win for you today. Think about those three things when you are looking to create a course, or you are looking to become a coach, or you're a coach and that you're struggling with growing your business. This could be what you need to look for and what you need to change in your business so that you actually start winning. So this was my quick win for today, and I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time.